who am I? I am small. I have sharp teeth. I love cheese. So, who am I? Yes, I am a mouse. I have big ears. I am a gray. I have a long trunk. So, who am I? Yes, I am an elephant. I have strong legs. Also, I have large feet. And I have a pouch. So, who am I? Correct. I am a kangaroo. I have short legs. Also, I have a bushy hair. And, I have two curved tusks. Not easy, right? So, who am I? Yes, you got it. I am a wild hog. Okay, one more. I have large black eyes. Also, I have a thick, fluffy tail. And lastly, I love bamboo. Was it too easy? So who am I? Absolutely. Yes. I am a panda bear. Good job. Today's vocabulary: sharp, sharp; bushy, bushy; fluffy, fluffy;